The following program is video supplemental instruction. VSI is brought to you by the Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.
This is question number 16. A hand grenade at rest explodes into 3 fragments of equal mass. 2 of the fragments fly at right angles to each other, each with a speed 10 meters per second. What is the speed of the third fragment in meters per second? This is a conservation of momentum problem. So, as is usual when you see exploding and fragments, think conservation of momentum when you see that kind of problem. Generally is. So we have one, and all the masses are equal to m, or some constant, whatever. And these two are going at velocity 10 meters per second, 10 meters per second. Now we have a third that's unknown velocity. V equals to what? That's what we're looking for. Okay? So the way I drew it, you can draw it however way you want as long as there's a 90-degree angle in there. The way I drew it, all we would have to do is do Pythagorean theorem to figure out what the magnitude of adding these two vectors is. And then doing that, you do 10 squared plus 10 squared root is equal to around 14 meters per second. So this magnitude is 14 meters per second, cumulative of these two pieces. What's that third velocity going to have to be to counteract that? 14 meters per second in the opposite direction. Okay, if they were asking for angle, then you would it would give you better angles and more specific, and you would have to know that it's going opposite of these two added together. All of it have to equal 0. So 14 meters per second is the correct answer.
The Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.